how to set up Dynobot to send welcome messages in Discord. So this is really useful if you want to send a welcome message every time someone joins your server. Now to do this, we just need to go and select our server over in the left hand side. You can then click on your server name in the top navigation and click on app directory. Now using the search box, we need to go and type in Dyno and press search. You can then click on Dyno, click on add app, click on trust the links and then press visit site. You can then scroll down to the bottom and click on the drop down arrow and select the server that you want to add the Dynobot to. You can then click on continue. Make sure all of the privileges are selected and then click on authorize. Now once you've done that, you can head back over to Discord. You can click back on your server in the left hand side and you should now be able to see the Dynobot. And then we can come back over to the internet browser. You can then click on next again and then just press done. Now click on modules in the left hand side and using the search box type in welcome. Now go and turn on the welcome message like this and click on settings. Now for the message type, click on message. Click on the drop down arrow next to welcome channel and select the channel that you want to add this welcome message to. You can go and create a dedicated channel just for this. You can also add the welcome message to a DM instead. I'm just going to leave this unchecked. You can then scroll down to the message and this is where we need to go and customize our welcome message. Now if you scroll down, you'll see all of these different variables and we can use these in the message to go and customize it. So for example, I could type in hi curly brackets user closing brackets welcome to my server and then I can press update. You can then head back over to your Discord server and the next time someone joins this server, they'll receive the welcome message. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.